Hello everyone, this is Shriyam Balaji. In this video, I'll walk you through how to build a stock price computer use agent with Copilot Studio. A brief look at my socials, my LinkedIn, my YouTube, and website. If you like this video, hit the like button and consider subscribing to my channel. What is computer use? Computer use is a tool in Copilot Studio that lets your agent interact with or automate tasks on a Windows computer. Here, you can see this is the computer use tool that is selected. So, with computer use, you can describe the task in natural language and let the agent execute it on a Windows machine. So, which uses virtual mouse and keyboard. You don't need any scripts or any RPA tooling is required. So, you can see here, I have given the instructions for what the agent to do using the computer use tool. So I'll be walking through a demo of the stock price computer use agent shortly. So also bear in mind with computer use, an agent can complete a task even if there is no API to connect to that system. So if a user can use an app, so computer use agent can also do the same to mimic an user. Talk through a quick demo. I'm just going to use existing interaction I had earlier with the agent. I'll just ask get stock price for NVIDIA. So this will kickstart a Windows computer. So it says computer use will begin as soon as the computer is available. Now the computer is ready and it'll start running the instructions what we're given. So what we're saying is first navigate to the Yahoo Finance website. So it opens the Edge browser and navigates to the Yahoo Finance website. Once that's done, it goes ahead and searches for NVIDIA stock, right? So it clicks on the search box and then searches for the NVIDIA stock here. So let's just quickly open this image. So it's cleared. So it clicks on this search text box and types in NVIDIA and hits the search button. Okay. So once that's done, what it will do is it will extract the NVIDIA stock price details from the page. Let me just open that. So if you can see here, it'll extract this one 174.88 from the web page, and that's what we have. The closing price for NVIDIA on Yahoo Finance is 174.88. Just walk through how I created this agent. I created the agent, a new agent, and named it a stock price computer use agent, and the description as it gets a stock price for a stock with computer use. The next thing I did is added a computer use tool. So for that, I clicked on Add Tool, New Tool here, and I chose computer use, right? So I'm not gonna go there. I'm just gonna open the existing computer use tool I have configured. I called it computer use for stocks. The description is get stock price of a stock symbol from Yahoo Finance. This is very important because based on this tool will be chosen by the Copilot Studio orchestrator. And these are the instructions I gave. I'll just come back in a second. And these are the inputs, to this tool. Just the symbol, the stock symbol of the stock we are looking to get the price for. So what I'm going to do instead of going to the instructions here, show you what I'm trying to mimic what the user is going to perform. So the user is going to go to finance.yahoo.com in his browser, and then they look for a stock. Let me take Nvidia as an example, and they click on the search, right? Then once it gets there, we are actually picking up uh, the price, the stock price at that point in time. This is what we are trying to extract. This is what we're going to replicate the user using the computer use agent. So if you see here, the first step is to go to finance.yahoo.com, and then click on the search text box. That's where you enter the symbol. So the symbol, we instead of typing NVIDIA, that will be hard coded. It will get from the inputs. So we are saying type symbol provided in the symbol input. That is from down there. And then click on the search button, like I showed you earlier. And then once it's does that, get the close price for the stock and return as output. So these are the instructions are executed in a Windows machine. It'll try to mimic as a real user who's using the browser in that Windows machine, like I showed you earlier. And a couple of more things I just want to touch upon. Stored credentials, we are not using it here, but this will be useful when you want to, mimic logging into a website and then, executing any instructions. So for this, it'll use the Azure Key Vault to store the credentials securely. So we'll not be using here. And we also have an option for access control. We only allow specific websites. For instance, I can just say only allow the finance.yahoo.com or whatnot. I can say that here. Then I can't use this tool for any other websites. And also, I can choose what are the desktop apps I can use. I can, let's say I can use want to use Microsoft Edge, Notepad. Only I want to limit that. That I can limit. For now, I'm not going to use that. Um, I'm also, can set whether what machine does this automation run, the computer use. So here it's a hosted browser. So hosted browser, you don't have to set up a machine and anything for that. So it's a lot easier. But you can also create a machine in Power Automate and then refer it here. That's that, and also the credentials to use. For now, I'm using Maker provided credentials, and the last but not the least is the input. So this is passed as input to the tool. Here, it dynamically fills based on the Copilot Studio orchestrator. So when I say get the stock price for NVIDIA, so it picks up the symbol as NVIDIA and passes it to the tool. Just want to quickly revisit the chat transcript I showed earlier. And the demo, the thing is here, what we're doing, we are asking the agent what's the stock price for NVIDIA. Then it'll kickstart Windows computer. And then once it's ready, it'll invoke all the instructions I've given on that computer. It's taking screenshots and executing that. I also want to show you the activity map. So you can see based on that phrase I gave, get the stock. It'll actually knows I have to use this tool based on the description because I'm saying get stock price or stock symbol. Uh, then what it's doing is, passes the NVIDIA as a input to this, and this also shows the rationale of why did it choose this, and then what it's doing. So you can see it's identify the request to obtain the NVIDIA Corporation, select NVIDIA as the target stock. It will search Yahoo Finance, and it will go to the website and it extracts that stock price from there. Yeah, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.